Tyson, how you feeling? Huh?
That's a monkey.
That's a puppy. Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The doctor didn't fix me.
The doctor fixed you?
The doctor didn't fix me.
You're still not eating though, huh?
Don't puke on mommy.
Don't puke on mommy.
Don't puke inside your mommy. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Got on the chair.
There's Dill.
That's good.
Dylan ate his breakfast, but Tyson only took one bite. You gonna take a bite?
I'm gonna eat pears.
Eating a pear? Good boy. Eat it up, yum.
So doesn't like pears.
Shadow doesn't like pears.
Says black dog. Says got tummy ache.
Does Shadow have a tummy ache? He did have a tummy ache the other day.
Says got too much sugar.
No, yeah, Tyson had too much sugar when his Aunt Buns was here. That one day, you were sugared out. Good boy eating your pears. Try eating some toast, you fill up your tummy. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Yummy peanut butter and jam. Your papa bought that jam. Didn't he? You went to Walmart with him? Do you want to sit at the chair? You sit at the table?
That's Papa's chair.
That is. Oh, good boy eating your breakfast. Finally. Yay.
Papa got new jam.
Papa got new jam.
That's Papa's favorite.
Is it?
That's the candy Papa will eat.
You eat that for breakfast? Your Gam makes jam. Remember? It's called Gam Jam. You had it at Christmas?
And Santa comes.
Santa comes at Christmas. That's right. He brings...
Help say, cut the Christmas tree.
Yeah, you're going to help us decorate the Christmas tree?
Put Christmas around there.
Yeah. Not yet, though. It's only September. A few more months. Okay? You're going to say bye-bye. Mommy's going to stop recording. Say bye-bye. Alrighty. Over and out.